So Pioneer hooked me up with a radio, but I don't currently need a radio. So I'm gonna go surprise my friend Mel with a new radio for the car that I sold him with no radio. All right, Mel, here's your new radio.
Oh shit!
For your car. That used to be my car with no radio in it. So we're in the car, we got the Pioneer and we got the, see I told you no radio. This is just an equalizer and Bluetooth. So I'm gonna install it now. I'm not gonna bore you with the install because that's a long process. So I'm gonna get into it. All right, we got it fully installed into the IS300. Great Pioneer radio. So it's currently on CarPlay. Got maps right there. I can't show you that though. We got a Spotify and this phone book right there. And you can, it's all controls on the touch screen. So we can hit play. Music's working beautifully. A little bit loud, so we'll lower this, completely mute it. We got guidance, so that's for your GPS and stuff. You can control the different volumes there. It comes with different apps for CarPlay, so these are all stock. Comes with like Chevron, NEX, Messages, Now Playing, Domino's if you want to eat. And then we got different controls, so we got the GPS mounted right here. We'll 3M tape it down later. And then we have this right here, the microphone for it. We're gonna 3M it right here later. But it basically all works, we're just making sure. Yeah, it's pretty good. So you can go back to the home screen, connect your phone, use AM, FM radio. Got different settings. Run you through, you can change designs on the background. So you can add images. Also, it comes with a physical remote, so if you want to control the volume that way, you can do so. And we'll mute it back. But yeah, so you can control everything through here, all the functionalities, different modes, different sources, access the menu, different audio settings, backwards, forwards, stop. If you're on the radio, got band, and then we got different fader options. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It can come in handy, I guess, if you have a backseat driver who wants to listen to some audio. Yeah, pretty much it. Great install. It was easy and straightforward. We already had an amp installed, so you just had to plug in the RCAs and clean up the wiring. Good radio. You like it, buddy?
Sick.